Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A53s, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll a little bit down to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the volume section, and here you get the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute your ringtone, swipe this blue dot here to the left side. And that's it. Also we can make it by the second way, but be sure that here on this section, the volume button function, you get selected the ringtone volume, not the media volume. And now just by press your down volume button, you can mute your ringtone, as can you see. And also we can make it by the third way. Just tap here, press one from your volume buttons, and you go to these two dots, and by swapping with your finger up or down, you can mute your ringtone. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.